In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon Payment Services to Odoo Accounting. We'll walk through the setup process together in a simple and practical way so you can get this payment provider connected inside your Odoo system. This is a fairly quick configuration, but it's important to enter the details carefully so everything works correctly once the provider is enabled. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the Accounting app. This is where payment-related settings are managed, including the providers you can connect to your accounting and payment flows. Once you're inside the accounting area, go to the top left and click Configuration. This section contains the main setup options for accounting features, so if you're looking for payment integrations, this is the right place to be. From the Configuration menu, select Payment Providers. On this page, you'll see the available providers that can be installed and configured for use in your Odoo environment. Look for Amazon Payment Services in the list. If it hasn't been installed yet, click Install. Odoo will then add the integration so you can begin setting it up. After the installation is complete, open the Amazon Payment Services Provider settings. This is where you'll enter the credentials required to connect your account. You'll need to fill in details such as the merchant identifier, access code, request phrase, and response phrase, along with any other required credentials shown in the form. Make sure you copy these values exactly as provided in your Amazon Payment Services account, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. As you complete the settings, take a moment to review everything before moving on. It's always a good idea to double-check that each credential is in the correct field and that there are no extra spaces when pasting values. Accuracy here helps avoid setup issues later. Once the credentials are entered, enable the provider. Turning it on makes the integration active in Odoo, allowing Amazon Payment Services to be used with your accounting setup. After that, your connection is ready to go. And that's it. As you can see, connecting Amazon Payment Services to Odoo Accounting is a straightforward process. Open the Accounting app, go to Configuration, select Payment Providers, install Amazon Payment Services, enter the required credentials, and enable the provider. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have everything connected smoothly.